Not only was the Lehigh Valley the birthplace of the modern day organic movement, but now it's a $100 billion industry worldwide.
Which is crazy. Everybody thinks about California and Kansas for farming, but it's here.
Yeah, Joan, there's an amazing history that the Velodrome and the Rodale Institute share. Our founder, J.I. Rodale, coined the term organic, and now it's a $100 billion industry worldwide. And that was all birthed right here 75 years ago. And then his son, Robert Rodale, comes along and coins the term regenerative agriculture and was a real visionary and finds himself in Mexico City during the Olympics in the 1970s and sees the human power potential of the bicycle and comes back to Pennsylvania and builds
it.
And then donates it back to the county. And so here we are, these two respected organizations that have a collective, 120 years of history that are really shaping the future of human health, if you think about it. Tell me about your developmental program.
We look at it the same way you do. You're developing farmers and we're developing athletes. And when we bring them in as little kids, it's not our express goal to create the next Olympian. If that happens, that's terrific. But really, we want to keep people on bikes for life.
It's really cool. You talked about the Velodrome being the clubhouse for cycling. You've also chosen to put a bustling farmers market on your parking lot every Saturday morning. What inspired that?
It makes perfect sense for them, for us. We have a great, robust community that starts, rides start out of the track Saturday mornings. We have racing, we have programs, there's foot traffic, and so it makes sense. Our audience is their audience, and it's thriving. Who would have thought we would have been so closely mirroring each other in a weird way, all because of Robert Rodale and his vision?
I certainly want to believe that this was all part of his dream.
His big plan to see
this legacy live on. I mean, what a legacy he's left.
Yeah, no kidding.